Downspout extensions are an important part of a basement waterproofing program. While downspout extensions will not solve a basement water problem by themselves, they should not be ignored. Many gallons of rain will fall on a roof. For example, with a 2,500 square foot roof, this equates to approximately 1,550 gallons of roof water for every 1 inch of rain. Taking that water away from the foundation makes sense. But how do we extend downspouts so they don't clog like underground pipes and don't look ugly like above ground pipes? RainChute is the answer. RainChute downspout extensions are a simple solution to move roof water away from the foundation. RainChute looks great and will never clog. In landscaped areas, RainChute prevents mulch from washing away and eroding plants near the foundation. RainChute is buried shallow in the ground to form a self-flushing trough to take the water away. Its low profile is virtually invisible from the street, and it will not interfere with lawn mowing. RainChute is an excellent complement to a basement waterproofing system and will improve your home's appearance.